So Richmond got here, and by here, we're talking about a little more than half of the tenants paying more than 30% of their income for rent, so living in unaffordable housing. And 1 out of 5 tenants paying more than 50% of their income for rent, living in extremely unaffordable housing. We've gotten here because government at all levels, federal, state, and local, has been disinvesting in affordable housing. Only 1 in 4 people in the country who needs some form of federal housing assistance gets it. The other 3 out of 4 don't. So the federal government's not doing enough for affordable housing. The state government has a very small affordable housing tax credit program and a very small affordable housing trust fund. The same is true of Richmond. And although we see lots of apartment construction going up in Richmond, all over, Broad Street, near Hardywood Park Brewery, Manchester, none of that's affordable housing. And the city has not done enough to incentivize affordable housing, to do things like tell developers of this non-affordable housing, hey, we will lower permit fees. We will expedite your permitting. We will set up infrastructure for your program. We will give you tax abatements. We will give you free or low-cost land that we own. Those are things that affordable housing developers want and need and can use. And these things are well known to developers and are well known to city officials who are in charge of making sure that there's an adequate supply of affordable housing. But what hasn't happened is really the will to make these things done. And that needs to happen. There's no mystery about what Richmond can do to encourage and incentivize affordable housing. What is a mystery is why it hasn't been done yet.